Hey guys, so welcome to my second video of me drawing in Procreate. Here you will see my love of Harry Potter and fashion combined. So I'm actually creating an outfit for myself using the theme from Harry Potter of the house that he was in, known as the Gryffindor house. So hope you enjoy it and let's get started. Okay, so here I am doing the skeleton first, as always, making sure that everything is in proportion so that when I start adding flesh to it, everything will look great. So I created this illustration during the fall, so it's actually going to be a fall-inspired outfit. So I have the fedora, I decided to do an oversized sweatshirt and then some oversized shorts at the seams there, and I wanted to do some thigh-high boots and I wanted to add just a little bit of detail to the bottom platform as well as the slouch too. Just want to make sure I cleaned it up a little bit there as well, and then I just pretty much added the ribbing detailing here, and then I of course was going to do the Gryffindor scarf. There are my braids there. Clean that up a little bit. And this, of course, this is when I started adding the color. I wanted to make sure I had the perfect Gryffindor gold as well as that, vibrant cranberry burgundy red. Added my skin color. Added more braids in the back just so it wouldn't look so bare back there. Wanted to make sure that I also added texture to the shorts, added a little bit of shading as well. And actually this was my first real time really doing a lot of shading, so this was a lot of fun. It was a great learning experience for me too. So you probably can't see it up close here, but I think at the end you will definitely be able to see it. But I just had a really great time creating this because of my love of Harry Potter. In fact, I will insert my two favorite Harry Potter t-shirts that I have here. And of course, my dream is to go to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter at Universal Studios. So I will be dreaming of that probably for the rest of my life until I go, because I really want some butterbeer and to go to Ollivander's and get a wand. Oh, but getting back to it, added some sheen here just to kind of make it a little bit more polished. And then I wanted to also find the Gryffindor crest, so she should actually be popping up here in a second. Boom, there you have it. And there's my girl, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed.